Okay, thank you very much. Welcome again to my channel. My name is Malasa, and in the previous tutorial, I have already shown you the definition of the new load cases corresponding to the response spectrum and the equivalent lateral force analysis. Today I'm gonna be show you the load combination of the gravity load as well as the dynamic load or the seismic load. The dynamic load can be combined with the variable as well as the gravity load. So how can we combine the gravity load and the dynamic load, which is the response spectrum load and the equivalent lateral forces? Now, before proceeding to the detailed load combination, so if you like my channel, don't forget subscribe on my channel so that you'll be getting new updates of the new tutorials which are going to be uploaded later, and also even you can get the tutorial which has been already prepared and uploaded. And also, if you like this video, don't forget sharing it to your friends so that your friends will be getting relevant videos regarding to the structural design of reinforced concrete structure as well as the steel structure. Besides the structural design of this two-story building. And also, if you have questions regarding to the structural design works of any structural design, uh, mm, works of reinforced concrete structure and steel structure, don't hesitate providing me the comments in my comment box so that I will try to give you the answer as much as possible. So try to press the bell icon so that you will be getting an immediate uploaded videos. So now let's proceed to today's tutorial, which is tutorials number 13. Okay. So, uh, before I'm going to the load combination, so what is load combination? Now, let me say something about the load combination. So here we need to define load combination in order to get the maximum probable responses of the structure. That is load combination. So we need to combine loads in order to get the probable maximum effects of the applied action. So just to get the maximum probable effects of loads. So in order to get the maximum probable effects of the load, we need to combine the load cases. So how can you combine the load cases? Simply we can go to our manual. This is the combination of the gravity, the variable load, and the seismic load. So here we have the seismic load in x direction, and we have the seismic load in y direction. So 100% of the seismic load in x direction will be combined with 30% of the seismic load along in y direction. And also in another way, 30% of the seismic load in x direction will be combined with 100% of the seismic load along y direction. So when we use all the four directions, both in x and in y direction, we will get a combination of the seismic load. So just when we come to the eighth combination. That means 100% of the seismic load in x direction, that is along the positive x direction, combined with 30% of the seismic load along the positive y direction, plus the service load, service load for seismic. That means this load is the gravity load, which we have already seen before. This load. So see this load. This is this load is the gravity service load. The gravity service load. So just this is service load for seismic. It includes both the gravity and the variable load. So as we have already seen before, that means the unfactored variable load, which considers the live load reduction factor, and the permanent gravity load, that is unfactored permanent gravity load. So this is the service load for seismic, meaning this is the variable load, the reduced variable load, plus the gravity load plus unfactored gravity load. Okay, so this is the first option, or the first combination, and the second combination will be the 100% of the seismic load in positive direction will be combined with 30% of the seismic load along the negative y direction. This negative indicated that the axis. So, and when we come to the third option, that is 100% of the seismic load along the negative x direction will be combined with 30% of the seismic load along the positive y direction. And the fourth one is 100% of the seismic load along the negative x direction will be combined with 30% of the seismic load along the negative y direction. And also when we come to also the fifth option, that means 100% of the seismic load along the positive y direction will be combined with 30% of the seismic load along the x direction. And the other is the 100% of the seismic load along the positive y direction will be combined with 30% of the seismic load along the negative x direction. And the other 100% of the seismic load along the negative y direction will be combined with 30% of the seismic load along the positive x direction. And the last, the 100% of the seismic load along the negative y direction will be combined with the 30% of the seismic load along the negative x direction. So this is the option. We will get 8 combination. So all those 8 combinations will be analyzed by etabs. So some guys said that we will have 32 combinations, and we can create. Simply, they said that there is a possibility of creating 32 load combinations for the static load case, and 32 load combination for the dynamic load case. They said, but the results will be repetitive results. So to avoid the repetitive results and the time which is taken by the etabs for the analysis, so we need to take these 8 combinations only, because some guys say that here there is here we have this. Suppose we have the structure here. So now this is the center of mass, and here so we need to apply Ax here, AX positive. So the etabs will automatically considers the 5% eccentricity, that is in plus and in minus direction. That means minus AX and the positive X direction. So all this will be considered automatically. Will be considered automatically. No need of saying, simply E Q X top and EQ X bottom. No need of saying just like this. So we need to designate AX positive and AX negative, because those direction, that means EQX top and EQX bottom will have the same results, because both are acting along the positive X directions. So there is no any difference in results, in analysis results. So to avoid this, we need to rename all this with EQX positive, because the eccentricity in positive and in negative direction will be automatically considered by etabs. So how this is considered? Now let me show you. Just we can go to the load cases. So here we have EQX positive, for example this here. Sorry. Now let me go to the define menu. So just we can go to the load pattern. So here we can go to the seismic load. Here simply this eccentricity is, here we have already applied 5% eccentricity in lateral load analysis case. And when we come to also in seismic load analysis, the response spectrum load analysis. Now let me show you the load cases. The load cases and the response spectrum in positive direction. For example, if we take this one here, the diaphragm eccentricity for a response spectrum analysis, which is 5%, is applied here. That means here this is 5% plus or minus 5% of eccentricity will be applied for the response spectrum analysis. So no need of just saying, some guys said that response spectrum in X direction, bottom response spectrum in X direction, top. They said that just like this, or just left and right. They said just like this. So no need of saying left and right, because all those directions have the same analysis results. So no need of saying the left, right, top, bottom. So it is sufficient enough to designate by response spectrum in X direction, response spectrum in X positive, in X negative, in X, in Y positive, in Y negative. It is enough to assign with this designation method. Okay, so having all this in mind, now let me go to the load combination. Suppose here we have 8 combination for the static load cases, and 8 combination for the equivalent lateral force analysis method, and 8 combination for the response spectrum analysis method. Here just it is in similar manner we can combine the response spectrum loads. So here now let us go to the load combination. Now define load combination. Here we have service load for service, that is variable plus permanent gravity, and we can add the second load cases, which is the live load for seismic. Here the live load for service, which is 1.35 at 1.5, and here the live load, I mean the permanent load for service, here we got multiplied 1.35. So this is service load. Okay, now add new combination. So simply we can copy this. We can put here, and this is the linear method. Now here, that is negative x direction, negative EQ here. So here EQ x positive. Sorry. Now let me start here. Copy here. Now just paste it. So let's come to EQ x plus. So it is 1, right? So EQ y minus. That is EQ y minus EQX EQY. That is, we need to check, that is minus 0.3. Add so the is is it for service load for seismic, that is variable load plus permanent load. This one. Now click OK. So add new load case. So we can copy this one. Copy. Just paste it. Here negative, that is sorry, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Here there is one load here, it is one combination is omitted. So qx plus, now here this one is plus. This is plus. Okay, now let me copy it. So here EQ x plus combined with this 30% of EQ y. EQ y positive. Instead of positive. So this is 0.3 positive. And now, so where is the service load for seismic? Now click OK. Both are positive, positive, positive. Now click OK. Add new load cases. So copy the third one. So now paste it. So negative, and that means EQ x in negative direction. EQ x negative EQX negative, that means this one is minus 1. Right? And here that is EQY positive. EQY positive. So this is 0.3. That is positive. Right. And now here the gravity load. Now click OK. So come to the force combination. The force combination, add new. So paste it. That is, this is negative EQX. So this one is minus 1 and minus 0.3. EQY minus. That is EQY minus. So this one is 0.3. That is minus. So add, that is this gravity load. Now click OK. Other negative. So add new load cases. So now copy this. So paste it. So now here EQY positive. EQY positive. Here this is 1 positive. Then that is EQX positive. EQX positive. But this one is 0.3. That is 30%. Now add this one. So positive, positive. Add new load case. Add the other load combination. Now copy this one. So paste it. So here this EQY positive. Now EQY positive. So EQY positive combined with 30% of EQX negative. EQX negative. EQX negative 0.3. That is negative 0.3. Add the service load. So click OK. Add new load combination. So just come to here. Now copy here. So paste it. So here that is minus EQY. Minus EQY. Combined with that is EQX positive. EQX positive, that is 0.3. Both are positive. But here this one is negative. Negative is positive. So click OK. Modify. Now add the service load. Now click OK. Add new combination. So this one. Now copy. So paste it. So minus EQY. Just come to here. Minus EQY. EQY. So combined with minus 0.3 EQX. EQX minus, that is minus 0.3. So add. Now just come to here. Here it is so the first one is negative. So we need to make it minus 1. Minus. Okay. Now click OK. Here we have to find 8 load combination for the lateral force. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now let us go to the load combination of response spectrum with the gravity load. Okay, now add new load case. So just come to the response spectral combination. This one, just copy, so paste it. So Rx positive with Ry positive. Here Rx positive with Ry positive. Rs positive. This one, but this one is the 0.3 at and the service load. Okay, here both are positive. 1 and 0.3. Now click OK. So add new combination. Now let's come to here. So copy this one and paste it. So here that is Rx positive, Rx positive combined with Ry negative. That is minus Ry minus Ry. So this one is minus 0.7. So here add the gravity load. This one. So positive, negative 0.7. Now click OK. Add new combination. So let's come to here. Now copy the third combination. So here paste it. So minus Rx, here minus Rx negative plus 0.3 Ry positive. So now here Rx minus response spectrum X minus response spectrum X minus. So this one is minus 0.1. No, minus 1. So combined with 30% of Ry positive. Rsy. Sy positive. This one is 0.3 positive. This one is negative. So add and the seismic load. Now click OK. So this one is minus. This one is positive. Okay, click OK. Now add new combination. Now let's copy this one. Paste it. So this is response Rsx minus combined with, that is this one is minus 1. Add here this is minus Rsy minus Rsy, and this one is the 0.3, but it is minus, both are minus. Add. So here just come to the gravity load. Here minus. Click OK. Now add new combination. Now come to here. Copy this one. And paste it. So R response spectrum in Y positive. So response spectrum Rs Y positive, that is 1. Add here Rx positive. Rsx positive, this one, but this one is 0.3. So and add, and finally it's load. So those are positive. So now click OK. So add new combination. So just come to here, copy and paste it. So here response spectrum Y positive. Response spectrum Y positive. That is add and is response spectrum x negative, response spectrum x negative, but this one is minus 0.3 add. So that is the service load. So positive and negative. So click OK. Add new combination. So here, come to here and copy. Then paste it. So minus RSY. Minus RSY. So this one is negative. Add and RSX positive. RSX positive. And this one is 0.3. Add and just come to the service load. So it is minus positive. So click OK. And add new combination. Just come to here. Copy. Then paste it. So here RSY negative. Come to RSY negative. And this one is negative 1. And this minus 0.3 Rx minus. So Rx RSX minus. Here this one is minus 0.3. Now add. And here click the service load. So click OK. So this is all about the combination of the loads. So we have 16 load combination. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We have 16 load combination. 8 is for the equivalent lateral force and 8 for the response spectrum. And later we will add the envelope load combination for the equivalent lateral force as well as the response spectrum force combinations. So here for today this is enough, and in the next tutorial, which is tutorial part number 14, we will see the analysis parts of this 20-story building based on the provided load combinations and load pattern, so that we will check the response functions and parameters such as the displacement, the velocity, and the internal forces of these structures. So if you like this video, don't forget subscribe my channel, and if you like also all my videos, try to share to your friends so that your friends will have an access of getting my tutorials. And also if you have questions regarding the structural modeling, analysis, and design of the reinforced concrete structure as well as the steel structures, you are always welcome. And don't forget just providing me comments in my comment box so that I will incorporate and answer your questions as soon as possible. And also try to press the bell icon so that you will receive my tutorials within a short period of time. So this is all about the definition of the load combinations of this 20-story building with respect to the response spectrum and the equivalent lateral forces. So have a nice time. See you next time. Bye bye.